Hello everyone, how to do some back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you what is 1Money expense tracker budgeting app. So if you already know that, like, in your daily life you spend a lot of money and you save a lot of money, or you earn a lot of money, but uh, how can you use or utilize this money, and how can you cope up with your income? So you can set the goal through this application. It's really easy to use. Okay, so you can see the rating of the 4.6 out of 5 and 121k reviews. It means 121 people write something about this app, and 12 megabyte size of the app, and 5 million people already download this app. So if you really want to know, you can see, like, all account, you have to set how much money you have, or you can also connect your credit card, and then you can see like how much money you spend, which way, which sector, like restaurant, leisure, transportations, groceries, shopping, health, family, house, gift, bank. So there are many visualized icon you can see, and you can check through this way. You can check how much, like, total account you spend, and you can see it the background and visualize. You can see restaurant, you can set a goal. Okay, how much money we spend this month or a year, you can set the goal. And you can also add your account, and you can expense, see. So it's an amazing app. If you really want to see about this app, and go here, then you can see the main feature. The app is released 2017, and since then it's going on very well, and there are some positive and negative reviews you can check. So okay friend, I hope this video helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.